Volcanic eruption in Ecuador has left several cities covered in ash. The Sangay volcano erupted in the Amazon region. The volcano was seen spewing hot lava. The volcano has had moderate eruptions for over a year. However, the volcano had little impact because of its remote location, but a recent change in wind pattern has pushed ash towards the coast and affected areas including the largest city around it, which is Guaqui.
Es la segunda vez, pero esta vez ha venido con mayor.
This is the second time, but this time it came on stronger because all the pavements and cars are all covered in dust. I use the horse because the dust doesn't come on. I have 3 pets that I take care of, and aside from that I do it for the neighborhood to help. Another neighbor came out over there to help take care of the environment.
The Guayaquil airport halted flights to clean the runway, and authorities began clearing ash from public spaces to avert potential respiratory problems. These roads were closed to traffic in some parts of the provinces. The volcano is fueling concerns of a potential health impact as the South American nation slowly emerges from a brutal coronavirus outbreak.